Know and understand this, brothers and sisters. God grants favor and grace to those whom He can entrust with His purposes. Ang Diyos ay nagbibigay ng pabor, biyaya at pagpapala sa kung sino mang mapagkakatiwalaan niya pagdating sa kanyang mga layunin at naisin sa mundong ito. If God can entrust you with His purposes, His favor will truly rest upon your life. Alam natin ang sinasabi ng Biblia that when we are faithful in little, God can make us ruler over much. Kung ikaw ay mapagkakatiwalaan sa maliit, maaari kang pagkatiwalaan ng Diyos sa mas malalaking mga bagay sa iyong buhay. And let me tell you this, I want you to hear me out on this. Your riches has a purpose. Anumang kayamanan na meron ka at meron ako, may kadahilanan kung bakit yan ay ibinigay ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Your influence has a purpose. Your position has a purpose. Whatever it is that we're having right now, there is always a purpose.